Clapperboard.
This is my first experience.
It's difficult to explain something that you do every day, so... Takeda is a Japanese pharmaceutical company headquartered in Tokyo. Here in Zurich, we have the European headquarters. We produce pharmaceutical products. We started the Edge program in September 2019. Edge stands for Enhanced Digital Global Experience, and it's an innovation program in Takeda.
In this program, we are touching all the value cycles within Takeda to bring the best ways of working and finally impact the patient life in a positive way.
Overall, the Edge platform has a very business unit agnostic model. The Edge Digital Factory is used by many business units and functions within Takeda. So on the one hand side, we started in the very beginning with global manufacturing and supply chain, but I think the success then expanded it across Takeda. So we're really in the center of it. We serve all functions, meaning supply chain, finance, procurement.
It was exciting to work on the Takeda Edge Digital Transformation Innovation Factory because it was an opportunity for the first time to bring together a end-to-end capability that could go from problem discovery through to service design, through to product delivery and value realization. We first started by defining methodologies and playbooks. We then created a framework for success where we could engage directly with the business, capture some of their most pressing business problems, quickly generate those into prototypes which we could test, and then through a accelerated iterative value delivery process, get them into the hands of people who would feel the benefit of those products.
How the program works is that we have a so-called innovation stage where we really go and ask the users, meaning the business, how they actually do their work in daily basis, and then together in co-creative way create these solutions and products with them. So we are applying design thinking and service design practices and agile methods.
We use a tool called a value realization framework, which assesses different problem statements against a structured set of value drivers in order to understand which ones are the most important to solve.
It enables us to make sure that the products that we build are serving Takeda's key values: patient, trust, reputation, business. For the end users, Edge is a totally new experience because they are involved in the build of a product from the beginning, and we deliver state-of-the-art user experience.
In a typical product development process, it could take 12 months to go from idea inception through to delivering to end users. What we try and do in Pace is to break that down into bite-sized iterative releases and get that into the hands of end users early so they can test it before we scale. We also use data after a product's gone live to assess the adoption and how end users are using it, and we feed this back into the iterative product development process.
I'm very proud that in these 2.5 years we were able to launch in total 13 products, from about 10 months before to about 5 months today.
For me, Edge created a huge impact, and I think it's easy to describe with 2 words: simplicity and speed. We established kind of a team which collaborates closely with the business and really puts the business in the center of their work. This really helps the team to come together and deliver products with great end-user experience and implementation speed. And this makes it very unique within Takeda.
This is a good question. It's really hard to choose one or two. We have learned so many things on this engagement. But I think biggest learning for me is that we really need to build relationships with the different people and carry them through the whole way.
This TCS Edge program is a complex mix of teams from TCS Pace, TCS SAP Services, TCS Consulting Services, TCS Interactive team. So all these teams comes together under program Edge, where we deliver the services for customer. And that's what our customer also appreciate by having this diverse set of skills together under one program.
For me, it's great to work with TCS. The reason is it's a very easy way of collaboration, right? It's not a lot of politics. I think the people are very approachable. The people are also very knowledgeable in their area. The ease of working with them is the best. Okay?
It never felt like working with externals. It always felt like a team from day one. I really enjoy the people in TCS, especially the ones in the closer team. Many of them became friends. We're having dinner with them.